G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's nice and bright. Some of it's nice straight bars. The material's been wetted to help bring out the colours a little more. The rule's in millimetres, as you can see here. And I'll zoom in a little bit so you get a better view. Okay, I've zoomed in. This piece appears to be more crystal. Piece should be easy to cut. Looking at this, I think most of it's going to be reasonably easy to cut. Black base. It's going to be the top. So you should end up with a nice stone there. This piece, here's the seam of colour. Not such a dark base, this piece, by the looks. Bit of a cave there. Possibly looking at a stone like that rather than as big as the piece is. You'll have to grind that down to see where it goes. Again, semi-crystal, crystal top. Grey's turning to black in the middle here again. This piece is a lighter base, almost white porcelain, grey porcelain. It's got quite a hole here, but I think there's a stone on the top there for a start, and perhaps one underneath here at the back. Just go around that a bit so you get a better idea. Go this way. Don't forget you can stop the video. It's a nice big blue crystal piece on a black base. It's showing through here in a few places. In something. Okay, here's the next piece. Not such dark black base, but quite nice and bright. Again, bit of grinding to see what you're going to end up with as far as the stone goes, but it looks like it goes right across there, underneath that bit of potch perhaps. Darker grey. Probably the whole piece will clean up. Might have to cut that off and make it a second stone. Quite nice. Again, this is a bit more sort of see-through. Quite a big stone. Might get something else off the end there. It's different colour layer. Don't dismiss the little bits. Still probably a stone in that, I'd say. Basically the colours on the top here. Again, piece of crystal, very close to being crystal. Maybe leave some of this on the back and you might get a brighter coloured centre around a stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.